No, I can't do it. I can't do it.
Yes, you can, Tina.
Okay. All right. I'm good. I can do it. I was wrong. I shouldn't have brought you up here. Why did I think I could do this?
Tina, trust me, you're gonna be fine.
He's right. Although by law, we can't guarantee that.
This was a stupid idea. Trying to convince myself I'm young and adventurous.